Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove the radio from a BMW 1 Series. Before starting, ensure your vehicle is off and the parking brake is engaged for safety. Gather your essential tools, plastic trim removal tools, a T20 Torx bit, and a Phillips head screwdriver. These will help prevent damage to your car's interior panels. Protecting your dashboard surfaces with a soft cloth is also a good idea. Next, we'll tackle the trim. Begin by carefully prying the long decorative trim panel above the radio, starting from the passenger side. Use your plastic trim tools to gently release its 5 clips. Once that's off, move to the climate control unit. Pry it out from both sides, then disconnect the 2 electrical connectors located on its back. This provides access to the radio's mounting points. With the trim and climate control out, you'll see the radio unit. Locate the 2 Phillips head screws positioned underneath the radio. Use your screwdriver to remove these 2 screws completely, being careful not to drop them into the dashboard. Once the screws are out, gently slide the entire radio unit straight forward from its housing. It should come out smoothly, revealing the wiring behind it. Finally, it's time to disconnect the wiring. First, detach the aerial cable. It usually has a small squeeze clip. Then, address the main quad lock connector. This large plug has a locking tab or lever. Lift it up and swing the arm over to release the connector. Once both are disconnected, your radio is completely removed. Remember to store it safely and consider patting the gear lever if you're working nearby.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.